Good morning friends, welcome to Ever Computers. In last video we discussed about how to create the new document, how to open the existing document, what is the difference between save and save as. These are all things we discussed. Today I am going to explain about home menu. What is home menu? What are the options it contains? These are all things we'll discuss in this video. Before going to home menu, first you people observe here. In the last video it is here office button. So office button is there in the last video. So that is the old version. This is the updated version. In the updated version, instead of office button, it contains file menu. So options will be the same. Everything new, open, save as, everything will be the same. Just name was changed. Okay. In the home menu contains first of all cut, copy, paste options. So how to cut the copy, how to cut the text, how to copy the text, how to paste the text, we'll see. So to do cut, copy, paste, there are various types are available. Everything I will be show very easily. Don't be hurry. Okay. First of all, I am typing the text. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Okay. I want to copy the text first of all. So I want to copy the text. That means, see here copy is there, but it won't work. Copy, cut, it won't work. Why? Because it is in disable. It is in disable. So it won't work. When it will be work, that means first you select the text like this. Now it will be work. It will be in the enable. Okay. How to select the text? Put the cursor there and long press mouse left button and drag it like this. Okay. So selecting the text, simply press copy and place the cursor where we want to paste the text. Okay. Simply press paste like this. So the text will be the paste. I want to cut the text. Again select the text and simply press cut option. The text will be in the cut. But now I want the deleted text. How to get the deleted text? That time simply press Ctrl Z from the keyboard. Ctrl Z from the keyboard. Now we'll get the deleted text. Next. This is the one type. The another type to do cut, copy, paste using keyboard. How to do keyboard? How to do with keyboard? So first you select the text. Simply press Ctrl C from the keyboard. Ctrl C for the copy. Ctrl C from the keyboard and place the cursor. Now press Ctrl V. Ctrl V for the paste. I want to delete the text. So select the text. Simply press Ctrl X. Ctrl X for the cut. Okay. Cut, copy, paste. Ctrl C for the copy. Ctrl V for the paste. Ctrl X for the cut. Okay. Whatever we want to do in the MS Office, in the MS Word, at first we have to select. After select only everything will be work. Please be remember, before selecting it will not work. So after selecting only we can do whatever we want. Another type. So using keyboard I told, and using home menu I told. Another type is to do cut, copy, paste. Select the text, right click the mouse. Here copy option is there. Just copy and put the cursor. Again right click, simply paste. I want to cut. That means select the text, right click the mouse, cut. So the text will be in the deleted. Next, coming to font names, font size. How to change the font names? So select the text, click on here, see here, like this. The font style will be changed like this. How to change the font size? Select here like this. Font size also change like this. but I want to change the font size using keyboard. How to change the font size using keyboard? That means select the text, simply press control closing bracket, control closing bracket, increase the font size. So that is control closing bracket. It is for font increase. And next, how to decrease the font size? Using keyboard, control opening bracket, like this. Font size will be decreased. So type here control open bracket. This is for font decrease. It is for font decrease. Okay. Here two options are there. These are also used for font increase, font decrease. Okay. Just I am selecting the text. See here, font increase. So I want font decrease, that means like this, font increase, font decrease. Okay. Next, welcome to my class. Now I want to change the case of the text. Case, that means lower case, upper case, sentence case, these are all things. So here the option is there, change the case option. See here how many cases are there: sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, toggle case. So this is the most important topic, how to change the case. Okay, first we select the text, click on here, first uppercase. Uppercase, that means everything will be in the capital letters, like this. The text will be in the capital letters. I want to change the lower case, everything will be in the small letters. After that, sentence case. Sentence case, that means first letter of the word of the sentence will be in the capital letter, everything will be in the small letters. After that, capitalize each word. Capitalize each word, that means every word first letter will be in the capital letters, all are in the small letters. After that, toggle case. Toggle case, that means first letter of the word in the small letters, everything will be in the capital letters. So this is the change case. After that, bold, italic, underline. B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. How to do bold, italic, underline? Welcome to my class. I want to do in the bold, that means select the text, simply press B. It is in the bold, means some thick. I don't want to bold, that means again select the text, again click on the B. So the bold will be removed. I want to apply italic from the selected text. So just click on the I. See, the text is changed like this. So italic. I don't want italic, that means select the text. Again I click on the I. After that, I want to underline this text. So simply select the text, click on the U, like this. So underlines, so many various underlines are there here. So whichever we want, we can select. I don't want to underline, that means again select the text, click on U. So to do bold, italic, underline using keyboard also we can do. So how to do with keyboard? First select the text, simply press Ctrl B from the keyboard. The selected text will be in the bold. I don't want to bold the text, I want to remove the text. That time simply press again Ctrl B from the keyboard. Okay. Now I want italic. So simply press Ctrl I from the keyboard. So it is in italic. I don't want italic, that means again I have to press Ctrl I. I want underline, that means Ctrl U. Now I don't want underline, that means again Ctrl U from the keyboard. See the shortcut keys in today's class. Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for the paste, Ctrl X for cut, Ctrl Z for undo, Ctrl closing bracket, font increase, Ctrl opening bracket, font decrease. So superscript, subscript I will discuss in the next class. So Ctrl B for bold, Ctrl I for italic, Ctrl U for underline. Okay, these are all the shortcut keys today's what we discussed here. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe our channel iWare Computers. Thank you.